Alrighty, you all. Peaceful greetings. Islam, Islam, Islam. I am Brother Hasan Ghaziel Bey here in Morocco at Northwest Amexem. How are you? Going to get in a little bit into here. Look at 2130. Alrighty, so we're going to delineate this here. So since there was a little issue with the live feed, I figured let me see what happens when I utilize a recording feature. And let's see if I can just see what this looks like here. Alrighty, so for August 3rd, 2020, that's today. 30 minutes after 2100 is what we're analyzing. So that's about 1 hour and 47 minutes into the future. Alrighty, from now, pardon me. There we go. Throat's all clear now, I think. I need some water. Alrighty. Let's get some water, right? And get on going. All righty, here we go. So, for the Baltimore Corporation, Maryland State Republic. All righty, I'm just going to kind of go in and just look at a few things here. All righty. Let's start with the ascendant at Pisces. All righty, let's look at the mundane trinity. Ascendant at Pisces at 11 degrees, 36 minutes. Sun is at Leo at 12 degrees, 9 minutes in the 6th house. And the moon is at 16 degrees, all righty. Aquarius, all right. And this will be just 9 hours and 31 minutes after the full moon, all right. 9 hours and 31 minutes after the full moon, all right. So with that being said, let's continue our, all righty. With the sun here, alrighty, we would see that the ego and personality and the heart pertains to the children, you know, or our hearts when it pertains to the children. We're going to be focused on, you know, our work and our health and how to serve the children or that serve that inner child, right? And final fortune there in detail. Now, we were to look at 12 degrees, right? Let me actually see. Where's my baby? Looking for my little baby here. Where are you, little? There you go, little baby. Let's grab the little baby. All righty. I'm grabbing the Encyclopedia of Astrology by Nicholas DeVore. Grabbing this Encyclopedia of Astrology by Nicholas DeVore and just take a little look at it, actually. Just going to take a little look. See what 12 degrees Leo is. All right. So 12 degrees Leo is a degree pertaining to beauty. All right, so it's just 9 minutes past that. So we're gonna, you know, just be focused on, you know, probably, you know, people will be watching, you know, I guess their everyday sitcom that they enjoy, and it may be, you know, some type of show for their babies, or because when I see a degree of beauty, that could also mean like art, because it's there in Leo, or somebody could be doing their children's hair. That's definitely what's going on probably around that time. People planning to do their children's hair. Maybe somebody is doing someone's child's hair that's not their own. Also, especially with the moon there in Aquarius. Aquarius naturally deals with Uranus in the 11th house and Saturn, of course, naturally, you know, anciently Saturn. However, not only anciently Saturn, but contemporarily Uranus. And that energy is usually stepchildren. You know, 11th house energy is stepchildren, opposite of 5th house energy, which is, you know, your children. However, you know, maybe, you know, people are doing something for children in children's hospitals or something. Maybe people decided to visit children in children's hospital and they're going to go, you know, groom the babies, I guess, you know, give them haircuts or things like that, or do something charitable for children in children's hospitals. Kind of angelic almost, if those things didn't already occur today. Just kind of look at that. With the ascendant in Pisces, of course, you know, Pisces deals with institutions like hospitals, prisons, colleges, universities. Also, now film and theater, Hollywood, music too, and art. A lot of times, you know, because Venus is exalted. You know, Venus, you know, deals with beauty, right? And it's interesting because the Venus is ruling the eighth house, so it's going to be some behind the scenes things with art and beauty. All right, and with Pisces there, it kind of gives, you know, these illusions. So maybe there will be some unvelations to the magic behind the scenes with art, especially when speaking on this Neptune being in the first house, the Chiron there, and Mars. Mars does well in the first house, and Mars is in Aries. So, you know, we could be looking at some active wounded healing, you know, maybe done through something beautiful, maybe for children through some type of film and theater of some sort, or some type of visual art. Maybe visual art is being used for, you know, children in children's hospitals to be able to encourage them to be able to have something within themselves to feel better, give them a sense of hope. You know, so maybe that will probably be something that's being incorporated. Maybe children will be getting iPhones, iPads or something. Maybe learn how to use iMovie. Who knows, right? So I just wanted to give that as a brief delineation, right? Just to do that thus far. So let's just see how this video looks, and maybe I'll post it. And guys, tell me what you think. All righty, should I do this or should I go live? All righty. If I can go live, for some reason the signals get messed up, and Facebook and YouTube no longer has their producer pages available. Whatever, I know. I'm pretty sure if I was speaking anything but the truth, I would have all of the Wi-Fi and things in the world. And then, you know, I posted about Comcast because they just totally dropped the ball. And I put the evidence there online as well. So, you know, who knows? NBC Universal could be pissed. But, hey, man, it's, you know, do what you say you're going to do, man. You know what I mean? Other than that, it's just like, you know, you're a fraud, respectfully, for the record. Not because I say so, because of how you didn't complete what you're supposed to complete. So I'm not being rude or mean, you know. Keep speaking in an intelligent tone, and, you know, receive a favorable reply eventually, you know. Unless people just, you know, oh, well, we didn't know that. We just have an automated system. All righty. It is what it is. However, you all, enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, guys, just give me a call, 443-376-8764. All right, you can be a part of the Astrology 101 workshop experience. You can either be a part of the actual online school and exchange your eleemosynary tuition pertaining to 135 notes in lieu of lawful money via Cash App. Or you can do your mirror session. That is 101 notes in lieu of lawful money for your eleemosynary tuition for that astro literacy course. Also, the medical astrology astro literacy session is 50 notes in lieu of lawful money for the hour. All righty, and let's see. Then you have also the Who Am I? Well, the What's My Purpose reading, 30 notes in lieu of lawful money for 30 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes with you. All righty. It's not going to be a, you know, just be a time tyrant. Be like, oh, well, it's time's up. You know, I'm not going to do that to you. So, yeah, 30 notes is the What's My Purpose reading. And for the 20 notes in lieu of lawful money for the final basic astro literacy course that's presented, even though I also do synastry for, you know, for couples and relationships and things of that nature. But the Who Am I reading? 20 notes in lieu of lawful money. It's a 15-minute reading, but I spent about 20 to 25 minutes with you. All right, and get immediately into the Who Am I. Kind of get into a little bit of your sun, moon, and ascendant, and kind of just get right to the nitty gritty. All righty. So thank you so much for joining me, you all, and I will be looking forward to our correspondence. All righty. Have a graceful and productive cycle. Islam, Islam, Islam. Peace and love.